Hey guys, welcome back to Wajid Tech Talk, and yes, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is officially on the way. This phone is expected to be one of the most powerful smartphones of 2026. Samsung is once again going all in when it comes to innovation, performance, and new features. The S26 Ultra is getting a next-generation anti-reflective display, and honestly, it's said to be the best in the market with no real competition. On top of that, Samsung is also introducing AI Privacy Glass, which you can turn on or off directly from the settings. This feature uses AI to automatically adjust pixels so people around you can't easily see your screen. You'll have full control over it, like enabling it while entering your PIN or password and disabling it whenever you want. Everything can be managed easily through the settings menu. Now, the biggest highlight of the S26 Ultra is not just a new camera design or fresh colors, but the most powerful Qualcomm chip yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 made for Galaxy. According to the latest Geekbench scores of the US variant, the single-core score hits 3815, while the multi-core score reaches 11,555. These are early results, so final performance is expected to be even better and more powerful. Interestingly, Samsung may also launch an Exynos variant in some markets. Early scores look decent with 3455 single-core and 11,621 multi-core results. Since it's built on a 2-nanometer process, it could be even more power efficient than the Snapdragon version. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in 6 color options: mint, coral, violet, white, silver, gray, and black. According to leaks, the mint, coral, and violet colors will look especially stunning. Design-wise, the phone is similar to the S25 Ultra, but now comes with a pill-shaped camera island inspired by the Z series. On the front, you'll get a 6.9-inch 1440p anti-reflective display. Camera upgrades include a new 200-megapixel main camera with a larger aperture for better low-light shots, a 12-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, a 5,000 mAh battery, 60-watt fast charging, and One UI 8.5 out of the box. The launch is expected on February 25, 2026, with sales starting in the first week of March. Pricing hasn't leaked yet, so tell me, which one would you choose, Exynos or Snapdragon? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe.